Hi, good morning guys. Okay, Saturday is here. I'm a little down under the weather, so my voice sound funny. Sorry. Okay, so a lot of nice things. Balai trap fin super cheap today. If you don't buy, you will regret. Okay, I go through you the price in the shop now. Remember today $100. I'll give you a bottom and tackle worth $10. Absolutely free. Okay, so since it's Saturday, everything must go. A lot of offers available. Okay, so those of you new to the channel, thank you for joining. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell notification. So every time new video out, you guys will get notified on your phones. Okay, so Facebook page is down there. Two Girls Private Limited. Do us a favor, like and share with your friends. And the link in the description to Telegram. Okay, important to join Telegram because Saturdays, it cannot sell finish. I need to lay long. Okay, I don't keep my fishes until Tuesday one. Okay, so lay long is a nice game we play. Okay, a nice set I'm going to give you. And I'm going to heavily discount it. You guys can play the game on Telegram. And then after that, we'll see who the winner is. Okay, and then you get to buy the set at a super discounted price. Okay, today already a lot of things on discount already. Okay, so let's go through with you what we have today. Okay, so down here, okay, I've got two very big parrotfish bones. Okay, this one belongs to a 3 kg parrotfish. This one belongs to a 5 kg parrotfish. Okay, so the bones, if anybody wants, normally one bone $3. Today the whole plate $3. Okay, so buy one bone get one bone free, something like that. Okay. Parrotfish heads, if you want to do asam or curry, we have two. Okay, the smaller one normally $8, today $5. The bigger one normally $10. Now only $8. Okay, so a big discount. Okay, batang eggs, if anybody want, batang eggs is $6 for batang egg. Okay, then we also have the batang head and tail. Okay, the tail is $3, the head $2. If you buy both together, I tell you what, you buy the tail, okay, $3. I'll give you the head absolutely free. Okay. Saturday promo for you. Okay, down there we have our baka frost salmon. Okay, $12 a piece. So if you have not tried the baka frost salmon, they are very clean tasting salmon, no chemicals, no antibiotics. They are from the Faroe Islands. Okay, if you don't know where the Faroe Islands, go and Google it. It's just a small tiny island north of UK. Okay, it's in the middle of the ocean one. Okay, so that's where the salmon comes from. It's a very clean tasting salmon. If you have not tried it, go and try. Okay, so that's for you guys. Okay. Today, okay, we have the farm ang kueh tails. Okay, I think whole week did I bring in the farm ang kueh tails? I think don't have. Okay, so anyway, those of you that missed it, okay, it's $16 each. Okay, farm ang kueh tails, very nice to eat one. Okay, this is really beautiful. I tell you, look at it, sweet, okay. We also have beautiful batang. Okay, normally $12 for the beautiful batang. Guess what's the price today? $9 only. Okay, so if you don't grab, then a bit wasted. Okay, so fast go and grab just a few pieces left. You can see how good quality they are. I'm not joking. They are really beautiful batang. Okay, if you miss, then bo pian liao. Okay, we have Norwegian salmon for you guys, $10. Norwegian trout is $12, and then we have the Turkish rainbow trout is $12. Okay, so today's sample set, if you want to try, is $40. Okay, I'll give you a rainbow trout, Norwegian salmon, Norwegian trout, and a baka frost salmon. Okay, so you save $6 off. Okay, you can get one of each. Very worth it, and it's only limited to one set per customer. Okay. Then also down here we got parrotfish fillets. Okay, so those of you have not tried the parrotfish before, okay, want to try just the fillets, today we have the fillets for you guys. Okay, so you can use it for fish soup, steamboat, even just steam the whole fillet by itself also can. Look at how beautiful and white the meat is. That's why I keep telling you guys. Parrotfish meat, very white and very beautiful one. You compare it with Chilean sea bass. Can you see? Very beautiful one. Okay, so parrotfish meat normally $12. Today $10 only. Okay, something special for you guys. If you want to do fish and chips, okay, you must get this one. Okay, this one is Uncle Sim special flour. So Uncle Sim down here. Okay, so he makes this special flour for you guys, $8 a tub. This one I never earn one. All the proceeds go to Uncle Sim. I'll tell you, you go and coat your fishes or your vegetables or whatever you want to deep fry with this thing. Okay, so easy way to do it. What I do is with beer. Okay, ice cold beer. I'll put it in, make into a nice batter, and then I'll coat the seafood, and then I'll deep fry it. Okay. Alternatively, you can use cold water can already. Okay, if you don't want to have any beer at home, you can just use cold water can already. Okay, so $8 a tub. Only 9 tubs available. Down here we've got yellow croakers, big ones, $18, now $15. Okay, today Indo Tochang. These are 400 to 450 grams Tochang. Okay, I tell you, today I really got a good price on this one. You don't buy really your whole way one. Okay. Yesterday, days before we sell Malaysian one $18 for the 400, right? Okay. So today you buy $18 for one, okay? But two of them, you buy two of them, $20 only. Good or not? Okay, so this is a very, very good offer. Faster grab, don't miss, okay? Down here we've got the farm angkui. If you don't like the tails, you want the whole entire fish, they're down here, $16 now, $14 for the whole entire fish. And today ones are a bit bigger. They're a bit bigger than the last few days I brought, okay? These are local farm ones, okay? So from catch to market is very, very fast, okay? Maybe about 1 day turn around and kind of thing, okay? We have got two Terengganu leather jackets for you guys, $18 now, $15 if anybody wants. Two baby parrotfish down here, okay? 700 grams one, $13 now, $8 only, 750 grams one, $14 now, $9 only, okay? Big offers on everything, Chilean sea bass is up there, okay? 68 per kg. We have Saba as well, one for $4.3 for $10. Red groupers, okay? Nice premium red groupers, okay? I cannot sell at the premium price really, today is Saturday. Okay, so your benefit, 900 grams one, 44 now, 31. 950 grams one, 46 now, 33. And the biggest is a 1.2 kg, 58 now, 42. Okay, very beautiful red groupers, so you faster go and grab. Those who miss out on lemon soles, we got 3 down here, okay? Lemon soles is a nice fish if you want to do fish and chips, using Uncle Sim's flour. Okay, so you can go and get, we can fillet for you guys. The 1.2 kg, normally 15 now, 12. The 1.5 kg, 18 now, 15. And the 2.05 kg, 25 now, $20, okay? So this is your lemon sole, okay? So I can fillet for you. You can do your nice fish and chip, okay? It's gonna be awesome, okay? So down here, okay, the fishes down here all on offer as well. Sea bass $7 now, $6, okay? Each are nice big ones today, this one don't make much one, basically just sell for the sake of selling only, okay? Because my usual spot down here, okay? Those of you missed out on the tilapia, one is $4. If you buy 3, it's $10. Okay, today tilapia nice one, beautiful, okay? Tilapias. So if you want to salt bake your tilapias, please let me know so I'll leave the scales on for you guys. You go home, you just rub it with olive oil, pack it with a lot of salt, and you go and bake it for about high heat for about 20 minutes. Then you peel off the skin and the scales together and eat the meat inside, okay? It will lock the flavor inside. We also have nice big golden pomfrets, $7 now, $6 each as well. Okay, so offer on this. Another one that's very nice. Okay, these are nice big flower groupers, okay? So if you have not tried flower groupers before, they are, I would say, very similar to red grouper, okay? 素一点点 only, okay? So red grouper, of course, is still a nicer fish, but so much cheaper, okay? One is $8. Today, if you buy 2, it's only $12, okay? So faster grab. Okay, this one you don't wait, you don't wait, okay? This one all 800 grams and above. What are these? These are baby balai threadfin, okay? So you all been asking for balai threadfin for a long time, okay? So now I give you the whole entire fish. You will have the head for steaming, not steaming, head for your soup, bones for your soup. Then you have the meat, the fillets, okay, for maybe your babies or whatever, okay? So these are the small ones. Down here is 1 to 1.1 kg one, okay? Each fish is 1 to 1.1 kg. And very beautiful. These are authentic balai threadfin, okay? These one are all xiao chuan fish in balai, okay? The big one, they're all trapped by the net, okay? This type, all the small fisherman fish one, okay? So it's very, very fresh, very, very beautiful, okay? So normally $30 a whole fish. Today, $20. This, remember, this one is a big fish, okay? 1.1 kg, that kind of size, okay? Down here, we got the smaller ones, 800 grams one, $24 today, $16, sorry, not 18, $16 only for the balai threadfin, okay? Very, very beautiful, okay? So, Jenny gonna let you see the difference between the 1 kg and the 800 gram one, okay? Get a few, okay? This one can keep one. I will fillet for you guys if you need, if you want to do steaks, I can do steaks for you guys. Look at the freshness of the balai threadfin, okay? Not joking, Okay, squirrel fishes are back. Those of you don't know what's this, okay? Squirrel fishes originate from Japan, okay? Once in a while, they swim over to a region and they get caught, okay? I really, really love this fish. They have a very, very hard scale, but inside the meat, it's very, very soft and tender, okay? They are going at $16 a plate, okay? Some of them got 3 in a plate, 4 in a plate, depending on the size, and then some got 2 in a plate, okay? So we have the orange one and the red one, okay? If which one you want, you just let me know. No difference, I'll just take whatever accordingly, okay? So $16 a plate. Remember to get your squirrel fishes. Use it for steaming. It's a very nice fish for steaming. Meat is very sweet and very tender. Of course, we will clean it for you guys, okay? So there you go. Today are big ones. Let you see the size, okay? Big ones, nice one. So those of you missing on the big ones can get it today, okay? Baby parrotfishes, 4 in a plate. Normally $8 a plate. Now only $6 a plate. Big discount for you guys. We also have kambong as well. So kambong, 3 in a plate. Those of you missing on kambong, these are the Malaysian kambong. $8 a plate only, okay? Very, very beautiful, very, very nice to eat. Okay, so kambong you can use and pan fry. Very, very tasty fish, okay? We also have our hamachi collars. Down here, $48 for a 1.2 to 1.4 kg bag. About 8 to 9 collars inside. We also have our Jonah crab claws, okay, so they are already all cracked open. You can just eat it after defrosting, okay. Then if you want to dip with Alice chili, you can get it as well, okay. Okay, Mentaiko, $10 a bottle, product of the USA, okay. So we are giving away this one free for every $100 purchase. So remember to grab your Mentaiko. It goes well with everything, okay. We have Jam Hei today, okay. Those of you waiting for Jam Hei, okay, to have a offer, normally $8 a kg, right? Today, big discount for you guys, okay? $6 a kg only for Jam Hei, okay? So faster go and grab. We also have beautiful big tiger prawns, okay? Haven't brought in tiger prawns for some time, so today decided to get the big ones, okay? This one you can use for grilling, steaming, okay? Nice big tiger prawns, normally 26 a kg, today 22 a kg only, okay? So faster grab, really good quality tiger prawns are here. We have the taco as well, okay? So today I brought a lot. Okay, taco is down here. So fresh batch today, they will all come in a bag like that. About 320 to 350 grams about there. The taco is $8 a packet like that. Okay, so this is already slightly cooked. You can just heat it up for 1 minute and then can eat already. Okay. We also have the baby sotongs. Okay, so those of you missed out on baby sotongs, you can get one plate $7. Today offer $6 a plate only. Okay, so that's what we have for you here. Uncle side, if you're looking for shen yu, okay, either in slices or fillet, 32 a kg. If you want the skin, please specify. If not, by default without skin one. Then the head is 350, the bone is 150, okay? So I bought some heads yesterday, gonna do some fish head bee hoon. So later after we are close about 3 p.m. or so, I show you, okay? We here got one chef, Chef Yim. She's gonna cook a nice big pot of fish head bee hoon for us. Okay, then down here we've got descended flour lala, $5. We have flour crab meat, this one all meat, no shells, it's $15. Down here, Mua Ota, okay, $5.50 per pack, 2 packets for $10. We have American scallops, okay, $26 per half kg bag. Down here, Australian scallops, okay, this one is 300 grams, $20. Okay, down here is codfish tails, okay, so this one already deboned, no bones inside, this is $23 a pack, roughly about 320 to 330 grams. Down here, we got scallop medallions, okay, $15 a box, 500 grams. These are the pollock fish balls, $5.50. The fried skin one, and the cooked skin one is $5. Okay, both of them are already cooked already, so you don't need to cook them too long. Okay, it's just a different skin only. Down here we've got nice big oysters. Okay, $15 a packet. Unagi is at $14 each. Okay, this is already pre-marinated from Japan. This one you can just microwave 2 to 3 minutes, can go already. We have pollock cubes as well. Pollock cubes is $25 per half kg bag. No bones inside, all bite sizes for your kids one. Down here we have snow crab legs, okay, $7 a pack. These are the imitation ones, but very nice and sweet. Unsalted silverfish is $5 a packet. We have codfish bones as well. Codfish bones 1 kg, 1 packet, $12. And then we have the Greenland halibut. Okay, so if you have not tried this, it's a very nice fish for steaming and grilling. You can try. Okay, nice oily fish. Just tastes a bit like cod, a bit firmer. Okay, this is $14 for 300 gram steak. Okay, so that's what we have for you in the freezer. Last orders as usual, 1:30 p.m. Okay, so send me your orders, WhatsApp me, okay, basically what fish you want, how to cut, and where to deliver to, okay, 3 things, then I'll send over to you guys, okay. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys, reminder, I'm closed tomorrow and the day after, so I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Remember to get your Balai Trap Fins today, it's very cheap, okay. Thank you guys for watching, bye bye.